All right, this is the third fan I picked up today at Habitat. This is a Sierra Ceiling Fan Company 52-inch ceiling fan, model number KT7500, and it is definitely a look-alike or copy of the Delta 2 from Casablanca. The only difference is, you could, this one's got 6 blades. You can actually put 4, 5, or 6 blades on this fan, which I think is pretty cool. And I was fortunate enough to get it with all 6 blades, so that's what I'm showing it off with today. Even the canopy, like it's uncanny how similar it is to Hang True. It's the same mounting bracket, except the hatch. The hatch mounts on the side instead of down here, which I kind of like, to be honest with you. I always thought that was kind of a pain in the neck to do that on the Casablanca, so I think that's a bit of a better design. And I always liked, I love this design on the canopy. I think that looks really cool, very distinctive. But yeah, it's a 3-speed fan, reversible. It's got a stack motor. I don't know what kind of motor is in it. I haven't opened it up yet. I just took it out of the truck and mounted it up. It works great. It's actually the best performer out of all of them, or the quietest, smoothest running one. But it even came with a pull chain for a light, and that's the one where the fan came with both the fobs, which I think is kind of cool. Even the fobs look just like the Casablanca fobs. I mean, it's very funny. And I think that K4S is going to go on here, and I'm probably going to put this fan in my bedroom because it's really quiet. It runs really good. So we'll start it off on low. Which one is the fan? Is it this one? Yes. Here, we'll do it from this side so you don't have to look at the open hatch. I'm not sure when this fan was made. There's no date on it or anything. I'm gonna guess 80s or 90s. But low speed's nice. I'm probably not gonna use it with 6 blades. I might do it with 5 or 4, I don't know. Depends on what kind of mood I'm in. But low speed's pretty nice. Here's medium. Very quiet. No hum, no bearing noise, no nothing. And we'll bump it up to high. And this fan kicks. I mean, the fact that it's got 6 blades probably slows it down a little bit, but it's doing just fine for itself. And I think those vents look kind of cool. They're unique. And why not? We'll let this one stop. I'll also get a view of the tag on top in case anyone wants to see, or if anyone can help me identify when this fan was from, or if they can get me a little more info on it, that'd be much appreciated. Man, it's taking forever to stop. It's a good thing though. All right, there you have it. Climb up onto the ladder here. Whoops, a little close there. But there's your motor tag. So yeah, canopy. Again, really like that design. That's pretty cool. Alrighty, well, there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching.